Hello, welcome to my channel Networking with Jarifin. Here I'm going to show you an error if you choose to reset your PC from the system recovery. That is a driver. For your case, it could be a service issue that you will find. So if you click reset, I can either keep my files or remove everything. I will choose remove everything. Now this one you must have with the cloud download. You must have an Ethernet connection or a Wi-Fi connection. The device will download the OS first and then install. That would be a longer process. I would choose local reinstall. This local install doesn't mean that you will have to insert a bootable media here, like a pen drive loaded with Windows 10 or 11. The local reinstall means it will pull the OS files from the hidden recovery partition on the drive. In general, a hidden recovery partition on the same drive is been given typically by all vendors like HP, Dell or whatever. This recovery partition is separate from the visible partition like C, D or E, whatever. It holds system files, drivers, OS images for reimaging or resetting without any external media. So it is exactly pulling the ISO file from that hidden recovery partition. So local install. Next, it is taking time, and then I will do reset. It is resetting, but here is the problem. After crossing 60 or 65%, I'm getting this error message. But if you focus on the bottom, it is a BrHostDrv.sys. It's a brother driver that is causing this problem. See, the PC is continuously rebooting from here. So what is happening? The system is still using its C drive to load the OS. That's why the brother's drivers is still loading and causing this boot failure, a reimaging failure. What I have chosen, I will rename this driver. So if I rename it, then it's not going to load anymore. It's going to bypass the driver if I rename that driver. So in order to interrupt this booting process or reimaging process or reset process, whatever you call, all I have to do, press and hold the power button and then give it a minute maybe. I'm hitting power and then I'm going to uninterruptedly press the F11 key. See, this is the advanced booting option. So from here I will choose troubleshoot, advanced, command prompt, administrator. Here it's gonna ask me the credential. I don't think so we have set any credential. Should be pretty open. I have not typed anything here. I'm gonna hit continue. Here is the command prompt. Here is the command sfc scannow. Basically it's gonna look for all corrupted files and fix it, but I'm not going to use this one right now. Also it requires a connection. So I know what is wrong. It's a brother printer's driver which is causing all this anarchy. So I'm gonna bypass this command and I'm gonna exactly show you what is required. First I have entered disk part. It went to the disk partition mode. All I'm trying to do is just to know how many disk and drives I have and what is the name. List volume, or you can also type list disk. So I have CEND. C is the main drive. Okay, if you notice I have 219 GB there. So I will exit from here and now I'm gonna type something different. Here the command is cd space /t space /c clone windows /system32 /drivers. cd means change the directory. D is a /d is a switch that is telling change directory from C to C. Well, D is not mandatory. And now finally Windows system32 drivers. I'm going to the drivers folder. Hit enter. I have accidentally put another slash here. We don't need that. Here you go. Now I'm in the drivers folder. Now I'm going to rename the brother's driver. Here is the command. REN means rename. BrHostDrv.sys. That's the exact file. Make sure these are case sensitive. So you have to type the exact way it has shown in the previous screen. And then it was sys before. Now I have changed the extension called .old. I'm gonna hit enter. It has been renamed. So I'm gonna cross out the command prompt. Then I'm going to go troubleshoot, then advanced option, startup settings, so restart. I might have to press F4 if you see 1, 2, 3, 4. In number 4 there is enable safe mode. It is better to run in the safe mode. In that way it is going to load minimal drivers. It is only going to load the drivers which is only required. If I don't run in safe mode, which is also okay, but running in safe mode is safest because again it's going to run only the drivers which is required for this reimaging or booting process, not any additional drivers. Restart and F4. You have to be patient here. So previously we were stuck on 65%. Let's see if it crosses now. Like, yeah, there you go. It is now 66%. We don't see any error message anymore. Boom, it's 75%. It's going. Okay, I think it's gonna load the windows now. Here you go. Yes, yes, skip. I will not connect to the internet now. Continue with limited setup, accept. Next, next. Not now, next. I don't need my information to be shared. There you go. All right, Windows has loaded. Thank you for watching my video. Please leave your questions in the comment section.